Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos X9, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So starting off, we will need to shut off the device, hold the power key and then select power off. Now once it's off, we will hold power key and volume up simultaneously. So power, volume up. And once you see the Neffos logo, we can let go. And we're now in recovery mode. So from here you will use volume up and down to navigate, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm. And as you can see, you can reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, which is I think fast boot, apply updates from SD, wipe data, basically a factory reset, wipe cache, mount system, and a couple other things, as you can see. I'm simply gonna select reboot system now and confirm it with the power key to leave the mode, and I'm just gonna wait for it to boot back up into the normal Android. And we're back in the Android system. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.